Okay, good morning students. So today to start new lesson volume. First who understood what is meant by volume. Volume means the amount of space or surface occupied by an object called as volume. So by an object is called volume. So different types of figures: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. You know this type of shape. Cube, cuboid. Cube formed by squares. Cube formed by squares. In a cube, all sides are equal. In a cube, all sides are equal. In a cuboid, opposite sides are equal. Cuboid formed by rectangles. Cuboid are formed by rectangles, and a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So here find volume of cuboid or volume of cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, or volume of cube is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Okay, and units of volume is meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube. So first you write definition: the amount of space or surface occupied by an object is called volume. Then you write formula. Two formula you remember: volume of cuboid is equal to cuboid length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. In a short, L multiplied by B multiplied by H. You write down. Then volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to length multiplied by 3 times length multiplied by length multiplied by length, or in a simple L multiplied by L multiplied by L, or you simply write L cube. L cube. 3 टाइम्स इसको क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
सर वो हाइट है क्या?
यस, दिस इज द हाइट. यस ये आ गई है. L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Then units of volume is centimeter, meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube. Okay, in an area you write meter square, centimeter square or millimeter square, but in a volume you write meter cube, centimeter cube or millimeter cube. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So see here example on this formula. So in a first exercise only given diagram, so you don't solve this exercise. So you directly start 19.2 exercise. In a exercise 19.2, question first, find volume of cuboid. Find volume of cuboid Then how many things are given? 3 things are given. Length, breadth and height is given. Then find the volume of cuboid. So first example, length is 4 meter. Very easy. Length is equal to 4 meter. Breadth is equal to 2 meter. And height is equal to 1 meter. Then find volume of cuboid. So first you write the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Then we substitute the value 4 meter multiplied by 2 meter multiplied by 1 meter. 4 meter multiplied by 2 meter multiplied by 1 meter. And then you do the multiplication. 4 to the 8. 8 into 1. 8 meter cube. 8 meter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. 8. 6. Volume of cuboid is 8 meter cube. Understood? How solve this example?
Yes, sir.
Three things are given. Length, breadth and height is given. Then you write the formula. Volume of cuboid, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Then we put the values. 4 meter multiplied by 2 meter multiplied by 1 meter. 4 to the 8. 8 1 the 8. 8 meter cube. Then see here the second example. Second, length is 2 meter, breadth is 3 meter, height is 4 meter. Length 2 meter, breadth 3 meter, height is 4 meter. See here, again here 3. Length is 2 meter, breadth is 3 meter, height is 4 meter. Then you write the formula. Height is equal to 4 meter. Then write the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to 2 meter multiplied by 3 meter multiplied by 4 meter. First you do the multiplication. 2 3 the 6. 2 3 the 6. 6 4 the 24. 6 4 the 24. 24 meter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. Go on answer. Okay? Very easy. Then in a third one, length is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth is equal to 36 centimeter, and height is equal to 48 centimeter. Then again you write the formula. Volume of cuboid कोई भी प्लेस छोड़ेगा length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Baljit, sit down. centimeter multiply by 36 centimeter multiply by 48 centimeter. Here, hey, first you do the multiplication 12 multiply by 36. When you got answer, and then again this answer multiply by 48, so we get total volume of cuboid. Multiplication no. In the first one you have already studied this part. Okay? So you do the multiplication. So I am giving two more examples. So you do it.
Sir, 432. 432. Answer. ये ना
20,736.
अच्छा मैंने आधी की मैं वो 48 को मिल गई
20,736 centimeter cube. So I am giving two examples. So you do it. In a textbook only three examples are given. You solve 5. Length is equal to 20 meter. Breadth is equal to 30 meter. And height is equal to 25 meter. Right. Or L is equal to 50 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 35 centimeter. And height is equal to 45 centimeter. So these two examples you do it at home. In our next period we have seen find volume of cube. Okay? Thank you.